Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go restricted account. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go restricted account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about the app of Monopoly Go. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then this page we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Monopoly Go. If you will find here in this sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.